Wondering what a credit score is? Well, it is a 3-digit number ranging between 300 and 900 that is populated based on all your credit related financial transactions. By credit related financial transactions, we are referring to your credit cards, payments, and loan EMI payments. Lenders, that are banks and financial institutions, look at your credit score before they give you credit cards or loans. A credit score of 750 plus is usually favored by credit lenders and can fetch you easy access and great deals on financial products. What's your score like? Haven't checked it in a while? No issues, check right now. Hey guys, this is Simran from ClearTax, and today I'll be talking about a few steps to follow in order for you to hit the 750 plus mark. But before we begin, do not forget to press the bell icon and like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. So let's begin. The first one is stop making delayed payments or missing payments. Haven't been making your existing credit cards or loan payments on time? Bad, very bad. Not making payments on time or missed payments can bring down your credit score. And since your credit score reflects your ability to repay debts, a low score shows you as an unreliable individual. Lenders won't consider you creditworthy and wouldn't offer you credit products. But if you make your payments on time and without fail, not only will your credit score improve, but lenders will consider you a responsible borrower too. Timely payments are a good indication of your ability to handle debts responsibly. The second one is start taking your credit utilization ratio into consideration. Credit card user, well, have you been keeping a tab on how much of your credit limit you have been using? It is pretty easy to keep swiping without any care, especially when you have a decent credit limit, isn't it? However, you should know that your credit utilization ratio has a strong influence on your credit score. Wondering what's a credit utilization ratio? It is basically the total amount that you owe your lenders against your total credit limit expressed as a percentage. For instance, let's assume that you own two credit cards, A and B. A has a credit limit of Rs 1 lakh and B has a credit limit of Rs 90,000. Now, let's say that you have used Rs 50,000 from A's limit and Rs 20,000 from B's limit. In this case, your credit utilization ratio will be total debt divided by total limit multiplied by 100, which comes to 36.8%. Got it? Now, the ideal utilization ratio is 30% to 40% of the total limit. If you're using more than this, it's a sign that you are overusing your cards and your credit score can take a hit. So, if you're looking to improve your credit score, then we suggest that cut down on your credit utilization. To be on the safe side, keep it below 30%. The next one is apply for credit products only on a need basis. Did you know that applying for multiple credit cards and loans has a negative impact on your credit score? Each application is considered a hard inquiry and it lowers your credit score. So we'd suggest that you do your research well and apply for a product that best suits your requirements. And please do not apply for the same product from multiple lenders at the same time. The fourth one is do not part with your credit cards. The reason why we are asking you to not close your credit card is that you lose out on the credit limit and therefore your credit utilization ratio will increase. Let's help you understand this with an example. Let's say you have two credit cards. Both cards have a credit limit of Rs 1 lakh each. Now let's assume that your total debt stands at Rs 60,000 and you close one of the cards. Prior to closing the account, you would have had a total limit of Rs 2 lakhs, in which case your credit utilization ratio would have been just 30%. But now after closing one of the accounts, your total limit would come down to Rs 1 lakh, thereby increasing your utilization ratio to 60%. Get the drift here, right? Just so you know, your credit score isn't going to improve overnight. It's not a 100-meter race, rather it's more like a marathon. So please be patient. If you diligently follow the aforementioned tips, your credit score will soon cross the 750 plus mark. Well, this was it for today's video. Let us know what you think about the video and comment below if you have any doubts. We will try to reply to it as soon as we can. Stay tuned to our channel for more informative videos like these. Till then, goodbye and take care.